In this first perplexing Ring doorbell footage, our surveillance camera captures an unexpected visitor approaching someone's front door. A lone lady, cloaked in darkness, spots a peculiar sight: shoes and other items left outside the house. In a brazen move, she invades the space by rearranging the items, particularly the shoes, with a swift and deliberate touch. In this jaw-dropping Ring doorbell footage, a daring individual swiftly seizes a package right from someone's doorstep, executing a lightning-fast grab-and-go maneuver. In this jaw-dropping Ring doorbell footage, a bold individual making a swift move as he stealthily swipes something precious from a porch. But that's not all. The getaway is just as impressive, with a waiting car serving as the escape vehicle. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, we've got a determined individual trying to crack into an apartment, attempting to bypass the door's security with unwavering persistence. Watch closely as each attempt unfolds, showcasing the sheer determination in every move. Spoiler alert, the door's security prevails, forcing our intruder to retreat. In this jaw-dropping Ring doorbell clip, a daring individual shamelessly snatching an item that doesn't belong to him. The audacity is staggering. In this astonishing Ring doorbell clip, our lens captures the sly maneuvers of a cunning lady who stylishly pilfers a package right from someone's front door. The audacity and finesse are truly something to behold. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell clip, a passing stranger who spots an opportunity and takes a quick turn to snatch a package right from someone's doorstep. The audacity is staggering, and the speed is unbelievable. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, a man and a lady are caught red-handed creeping around someone's property, unaware that the vigilant property owner is watching their every move. The tension escalates as the property owner, unseen by the trespassers, decides to issue a stern warning, revealing his presence and intentions to call the police.
Hey, who are you? What are you guys doing here? What are you guys doing here? I got you on the camera. I'm sending security guard over here. You, yes, that's you. Who are you? I'm calling the cops right now. Yes, I'm calling the cops right now. I got you on the camera. We'll be going after you.
In this unexpected Ring doorbell clip, a mysterious lady right in front of someone's home. Watch closely as she presses the doorbell and, with a curious flair, takes a quick peek through the door before making a swift departure. The air of mystery is palpable. In this spine-chilling Ring doorbell clip, a stealthy man in action as he quietly swipes a valuable item right from the owner's doorstep. The audacity is jaw-dropping. In this eerie Ring doorbell moment, a man creeping around someone's yard under the cover of darkness, his intentions hidden in the shadows. Watch closely as he departs after a quick, furtive check. The tension is palpable. In this gripping Ring doorbell moment, we observe a young-looking guy strolling onto someone's porch with a clear and calculated intention. Watch closely as he examines the items left outside before swiftly grabbing them and making a daring escape into the night. In this heart-pounding Ring doorbell moment, we witness a young-looking guy attempting to breach someone's door with what seems to be spare keys. In this jaw-dropping Ring doorbell moment, a brazen lady pirate in action as she swoops in to snatch a package left innocently outside the door. Watch in disbelief as she departs with lightning speed, leaving nothing but a trail of audacity behind. In this spine-chilling Ring doorbell moment, we witness a stealthy figure on a mission, quietly crawling towards a package delivered to its rightful owner. With clear intentions, watch as he brazenly swipes the package before making a hasty escape through a waiting car. The audacity is beyond belief. In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, a man walks up to someone's door in broad daylight with what seems like a quick mission in mind. Watch closely as he makes a swift check on the door, only to find it locked. The tension rises as the failed attempt unfolds, and the stranger departs just as quickly as he arrived. In this intriguing Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught right in front of someone's door at night, appearing unsure and glancing at a small piece of paper in his hand. The air is thick with uncertainty. In this shocking Ring doorbell footage, our cameras caught a daring man in action as he makes a run towards someone's front door. With lightning speed, he snatches the package left outside, leaving nothing but a trail of surprise behind as he departs just as quickly as he arrived. In this peculiar Ring doorbell footage, a seemingly intoxicated man is spotted within someone's backyard, weaving from one spot to another with a mysterious and hidden intention. The air is thick with uncertainty. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a mysterious man is spotted standing right in front of a door, pressing the doorbell with an air of hidden intention. The tension builds as he waits for the homeowners to respond, and the motives behind this unexpected visit remain shrouded in mystery. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, a bold intruder accesses someone's porch at night, seizing the opportunity to make a swift getaway with a parked bike. Little does he know, every move is meticulously recorded by vigilant cameras. In this gripping Ring doorbell scene, two individuals are spotted gaining access, their motives shrouded in mystery. Watch closely as one of them surveys the surroundings, carefully making moves towards a nearby door. The tension escalates as a quick check is made, testing if the door is unlocked. In this astonishing Ring doorbell scene, a man in military uniform is spotted marching straight to someone's door with a mysterious mission. Watch as he attempts to break into the door, his military precision on full display. The tension rises as the mission takes an unexpected turn, the door stands strong, and the intruder quickly departs from the scene. In this gripping Ring doorbell scene, a man is spotted at someone's porch at night, attempting to open the door with unknown intentions. The tension builds as he notices the doorbell camera, and a swift departure follows. In this shocking Ring doorbell scene, a man is spotted approaching someone's porch with swift determination. Watch as he brazenly grabs the packages left outside the house, leaving no time for second thoughts, and departs in the blink of an eye. In this intriguing Ring doorbell scene, 3 individuals cleverly disguise themselves as passers-by right in front of someone's house. Keep a close eye on the swift actions as one of them makes a sudden run, seizing the opportunity to steal a package left innocently outside. In this intriguing Ring doorbell clip, a mysterious stranger is spotted meticulously surveying his surroundings. Watch closely as he sets his sights on a valuable item right at someone's front door. The air is thick with anticipation. In this tense Ring doorbell clip, a young-looking guy is spotted approaching someone's house, opening a box left outside, and discreetly searching for valuables and items that might be useful to him. The silence of the night sets the stage for this unexpected exploration. In this gripping Ring doorbell clip, man is seen stealthily approaching a truck parked right in front of the owner's house at night. Watch closely as he skillfully makes off with valuable equipment, his actions shrouded in the silence of the night. The audacity is beyond belief. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.